How you guys doing? How you guys feeling? I do not know how to change the economy. I do not know if I can stop a tsunami. I do not know how to control Colonel Gaddafi. And I do not know if you know enough about me. But girl, after the show, yes, we can. Everybody from Bombay is a closet actor. They all want to be actors. Just, if you just ask anybody from Bombay, yes. Hey, Addy, you're Indian, right? I'm like, yeah. I bet you can speak Hindu.
Gentlemen, welcome to another exciting game between the England team and the German team. I'm your commentator, Dickie Bird. And if I must say so myself, the English are going to win today. Yes, I know that sounds a little cocky, but it's probably got to do with the fact that my name is Dickie.
Yeah, meet my son. My son, Adnan. He's very funny. He's very funny. Come here, Adnan. Tell him a joke. Come on, you jokey boy. Tell him a joke. Come on. You jokey boy. Come on, tell him a joke. I'm like, Dad, we're the cops. We need to pay the ticket and leave.
We're 2 minutes into the game. Podolski has the ball. He passes it to Klose. My word, what a beautiful pass. Klose dribbles, beats Rooney, and he scores. 4 minutes into the game. Germany 1-0. What a fantastic score.
People, where's my Emirati friend out here? Oh, there you go. They're the most laid-back people, man. Malish. Cool time chill. The most relaxed people in the world. 9 o'clock. Ana ro fi ila maktab. 10 o'clock, I want my shai. 11 o'clock, wahid ijtama. 12 o'clock, I will have one shisha. 1 o'clock, my strong coffee. 2 o'clock, khali wali, I'm going home. Khalas! Ah, you Indians work. Most laid back. You can clap. Shut up, you're going to tell your father what to do? You're a funny boy, funny boy. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot. You guys have been a great audience. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.